Okay, I made a mistake in that last chapter, and we're going to fix that. So what I'm looking for here is I said pop in consciously, and it's right here. And that means, oh, I made a mistake previous to that. And then right after that, I repeated correctly the sentence I messed up. So let's just back up over here and listen to this. Not do it. You'll get to meet Xanadu carfofodum. Pop. Okay, you'll get to meet Xanadu whatever. And so this part is wrong, but this is the beginning of the sentence. And that's where I started again. So if I go here, start, you'll get to meet Charlie Holiday. So now it's you'll get to meet Charlie Holiday. So this is the part I want. Let's just make sure this part is the bad part from here to about here. Just to double check. You'll get to meet Xanadu carfofodum. Pop. Okay, so I want from here to here or so gone. And I could just hit delete on my keyboard. And there it goes. So now we back up. Not do it. You'll get to meet Charlie Holiday. That's it. So instead of backing up or stopping or trying again, I just say pop. And then I see that spike, and hopefully you don't have a million spikes. But even if you have lots of spikes, you're just going to be cutting. It's listen to the spiked part, listen to the broken part, find the fixed part, and delete the broken part. That's it.